Good morning, everyone. Today I'm doing my project share. Last Wednesday we had Dollar Tree Wednesday with Canvascraz creation Brandy and Kathy's cards. That would be Kathy Randall and Andrea, who is the Midnight Crafter. We all got together over at Kathy's or Brandy's place, and I was able to stay a little bit this week. I'll be hosting, so I hope you all come over and see what we're doing this Wednesday. It'll be at 12:30 Eastern Time. So please stop by. So this last week we did a project from the Dollar Tree, and we used the sachets that you can get. And you get two to a pack. There's two envelopes when you buy it. So I used this, and then I made covers for mine. And this is the cover. I'll put this right in here. So this is just a very simple envelope type, and I used a beautiful satin fabric, and on the inside I lined it with just a simple linen. It's a table napkin, and I sewed all the way around and turned it inside out. And a very simple little fold. It's a square, and you just fold it over, and I put some gimp all the way around it. And I haven't got to the closure yet. I can't get to my craft room, so I'm just using what I have out here. And this is the back, and then you just either lay this in your drawer or wherever you want. And it's so pretty, so simple to make. And then the next one, I used another beautiful fabric, a satin fabric. Isn't that pretty? And I made a long cylinder type envelope, and I put some trim on it. Beautiful trim. I think Brandy gave me this. Some eyelash and some loops on it, and some flowers. It's got some white on it also, and some beautiful lace, very pretty lace. And when I get to my craft room, I'll get some things that I can put on each one of these little points, make it a little bit fancier. And then I just folded it in the back, and I'll put some Velcro so I can Velcro this closed. So it's very simple. Lay this in your lingerie drawer to make it smell pretty. And then the last one I did was this bag. This is also beautiful fabric. And I lined this. This comes just like this, and you have to line it. And I tied it with a seam binding, and just a simple shiny lining for this one. And here's the sachet. So it's just a square, kind of like a square rectangle, sewed all the way around, and a simple hem, and you put your seam binding or whatever you want to tie it with. And then I put a very pretty trim. This is kind of like a gimp, but it's a box, and very simple little flowers with a butterfly. And then this bottom trim is from a doily. We've all seen those lacy doilies. What do you do with it? Well, you can use it like this. And then I added a row of this all the way around, of course. I didn't have any beads. I can't get to my beads, so I thought this was very plain, very simple, very elegant. And I love it. I just love it. Now, when I send this out, I have plenty of room to put things in this bag, like extra lace or embellishments. Anything I want to fill this bag up with, I can, along with the sachet. There's the back, but isn't that pretty fabric? I've cut these out also and used these appliques on other things like Christmas ornaments. So those are my three projects. I'm sorry I don't have much to show you in way of embellishments on these, but it won't be much longer now where I can go and actually stand up and walk. It'll be at least 3 more weeks. So I'm hanging in there. Yeah, I know. I never want to do this again. But those are my 3. And I hope to see you all soon. Wednesday, 12:30 at my place. So please come on over. Today is the first day that it's snowing, so I get to sit and watch it snow. It's very, very pretty with the green and the white mixing together today. And we still have leaves falling. There's still the fall colors. And it's very beautiful outside. So thank you guys. I miss you all. And I can't wait to get back into crafting. And I'll be ready to go before Christmas. So thanks everybody. Big hugs. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.